I lost all my car keys. Then I found the Autel MaxiIM IM508S.
Ever felt like your car's immobilizer is playing hard to get? You're not alone. You've tried the dealership, the locksmith, even YouTube tutorials, only to get stuck with a blinking light and a $700 bill. If you've ever stared at your key fob like it betrayed you, drop a keys below. You're not broken, you just haven't met the right tool yet. Deadlines don't wait. Customers don't care if your scanner doesn't support that model. And you're back? It's tired of hauling 3 tools to one job. Imagine if you could diagnose a transmission glitch, reset the SAS, and program a new key all from a single tablet, sitting in your van with 8 hours of battery life. No chaos, just control.
Enter the Autel MaxiIM IM508S. Not just a scanner, but your silent partner in automotive chaos. One technician in Ohio lost all keys to a 2020 BMW X5. Instead of towing it to the dealer, he used the IM508S plus XP200 to read the immobilizer chip, erase the lost keys, and program a new one while the owner sipped coffee in the waiting area. Another pro in Texas used it to bypass a faulty key fob on a 2018 Toyota Camry by cloning the transponder in under 12 minutes. The 7-inch touchscreen? Crisp. The Android OS? Smooth. The AutoVIN feature? It auto-detects your car like it's reading your mind. Here's one way it saved the day. A mobile locksmith used the All Keys Lost function on a Mercedes Sprinter, earned $450, and got a 5-star review, all before lunch. Keep reading. There's a bonus trick at the end.
Thousands of shops have swapped their $3,000 OEM tools for this. I used to need 3 devices, says one fleet manager. Now I carry 1. My techs even use it on their own cars. An independent mechanic in Florida says it's the only tool that does EPB resets, DPF regens, and key matching without a PC. Analysts call it the democratization of dealer tech. And they're right. You don't need a 10-year apprenticeship. The guided workflows walk you through each step like a patient mentor. One user tested it on a 2005 Honda Civic and a 2023 Porsche 911 and nailed both. The Wi-Fi updates? Automatic. The 21 language support? Perfect for multicultural shops. The battery lasts all day. The screen doesn't glare in sunlight. And the XP200 programmer, it replaces hundreds of physical key blanks. See why thousands can't stop talking about this. Which feature would save your day? The All Keys Lost function? The bidirectional control? The DPF regeneration? Comment below. And if you've ever paid $500 just to cut one key, you know what's coming next.
Limited stock. Thousands of pros are already upgrading. Don't be the last one holding a $200 code reader while everyone else is programming keys, resetting EPBs, and charging premium rates. Join the 10,000-plus vehicles served daily by this tool. Click now and unlock the secret feature that lets you read PIN codes without opening the ECU. Yes, it's that powerful. Your next job is waiting. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workflow today.